Hello there! So I'm quite excited about today's package that I got in the mail. And it's pink because, as the title suggests, it's the BISOULOVELY box. I am such a huge fan of Brie that owns BISOULOVELY. Oh, that's so cute! She has her logo on the box. That's adorable! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. So, she used to be a game designer, and now she works as a jewelry designer. What a beautiful box. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. The packaging though. Oh, there's stars everywhere. Let me just fix up the camera angle. Oh my god. So this is the card that comes with the box. And it doesn't open. I love it. Oh, this is incredible. What a beautiful card. Oh, looks quite expensive to create. Wow. Okay, so the box. This is what it looks like. There's so many stars everywhere. There they are. Oh, the stars are so pretty. So pretty. Oh, another cute card. The engraving, everything looks so beautiful. Wow. Looks fantastic. Aww. Well, it says thank you, basically. That's adorable. And this is a branded cloth for fixing, for cleaning the jewelry. And I assume that this is the ring. I ordered. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, do you see the shine on this thing? The blue incredible shine. Wow. Wow, the details. Oh my god. I wish I could focus. I wish I could focus on the ring. Just a moment. Let's see if it's possible. Oh my god. That's beautiful. Let's see them together. Oh, how cute! This ring is called Chloe. And it's absolutely adorable. I love it so much. So cute. The moonstone is incredible. What a beautiful ring. I'm so happy to have it. Thank you so much, Brie, for making this. It's wonderful. Wow. I don't have any words to describe how beautiful that is in person. Wow. It's wonderful. Thank you so much, Brie. And I hope you guys will get a better idea of what these rings looks like in real life, because there aren't very many videos that showcase these rings. So hope this one will be helpful for you to choose whether you'd like to support Be So Lovely. Please support this brand. Brie is amazing, and her team is absolutely amazing and so caring and so hardworking. They deserve all the love in the world. Okay. Bye, guys.